In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at porting our template that we used for our CM Simple to Website Baker. So this is our main homepage on Website Baker. And first thing that you want to do, of course, is always go look at the designer guide. So you can actually find the link to this on my website. And you'll notice that there are a few different tags here, of course. We have heading tags, but we also have body content tags that are a little bit different than before. But you definitely want to check out the website to see what all the functions are for template functions, all the different things that you can possibly do. Because I'm not showing you at all the full list, I'm just showing you the very basic ones. And then you also need to look at how to create a Website Baker template. So that's what we're going to look at. First off, it's going to begin by us finding the template that we had from CM Simple, and it was Anther. So I'm going to copy this, go over to my Website Baker, and actually I don't even really need to put it here. I might even put it on the desktop for right now, just because we have to zip all this stuff together anyway. So in my Website Baker thing, I do want to take a look at one thing in particular. If you look at these files, a lot of them have an info.php file, and that info.php file is really important. So I'm going to copy this file, go back to my desktop, and I'm going to paste that in this folder. Now we also have some different names for our files. I know that this is typically just called styles in Website Baker, not that it has to be, but our template is definitely going to be index.php. I know that. I don't need the license text that came with the template. Anyway, I'm going to go into this info page, or info.php file, and we do need to go ahead and give the right name. This is Anther is the name of our template directory. I'll call it Anther, and it's going to be used as a function. This is the first version of this template. Actually, that's really what version of Website Baker is it using. I can put my name here. There's a license here. I don't have to deal with that. But let's look down at this. This is really kind of cool. The optional variables for additional menus and blocks. I can actually give all of my menus names, which can be quite effective at times. I'm going to do the first block as content, and this will be sidebar. So I'm going to save all that. Now let's go into our index page and start changing the things that we need. Now I'm going to go into my particular website, grab the things that I know I need, and here with Website Baker we actually have to make sure that we put our head tags in. And then we can copy and paste that information in. So we have a page title. We do need to get these numbers out of there. And I'll call that styles. I don't think it really matters. We could have called it style sheet. That'd be fine. We don't need the onload because that was for CM Simple, so we can just take that down to body. We do need our page menu. That will go under menu. And then we need our content. So that'll be content here. Now we can also use content in content in block 2 as well. So let's go ahead and save all of that, and you can close it. And the way to make this into a template is actually to zip all of it together, and make sure you're not zipping the folder, but you're zipping all the files individually. And I'll take that out and call it Anther. Now we go back to Website Baker, we log in, admin with pass. Then what we want to do is go to add-ons, and we want to install the template from the desktop. Now we go to settings, we change our template to Anther, we can save it, and then take a look at